Hey everybody, so we're out here in Colorado and it is currently -6 degrees. We're having a little bit of a cold snap, not a lot of snow, but I have this submergible ice or tank heater in my water trough, and if you can see that, there's steam coming off the water trough. Charm there, she's doing good, she's happy with it. So is Smokey. But anyways, this is what it is. It's the 1500 watt model, and it works like champ. You can see it down in there. So anyways, if you have a cold area, get these for your trough. Keep your horses or animals nice and hydrated.